Hey there, welcome to the Grit Fam. I hope that you're having an amazing experience so far. As a newer member, it can be a little overwhelming whenever you check out our website and see all of the classes that we have, and sometimes you may not even know where to start when it comes to picking a class. So as a nationally certified personal trainer, I want to empower you to be able to make your own effective weekly workout plan. Fitness has three core elements. There's strength, there's cardio, and there's restoration. And each week, you should spend time developing in each of those three areas. Now, what's amazing about Grit is that we offer a variety of classes that each fall under those buckets. So if you're in your first month or first week of taking classes here at Grit, I highly encourage you to start off by at least taking one cardio class and one strength class each week. We've categorized all of the portfolio of Grit Fitness classes for you, so you can simply look under the subject heading of strength, cardio, and restoration and pick whatever class you like. As you get into a groove, try to increase that number and take 2 strength classes and 2 cardio classes every week, and your muscles should be good and sore by then, so also try to take 1 restorative class each week. That's a total of 5 classes per week, and usually that's the sweet spot to achieve all of your fitness goals. So go ahead and plan your classes and treat your classes just like in a really important appointment, a hair appointment, a business appointment. Put it in your calendar and stay committed, because guess what? Your commitments to yourself are the commitments that matter the most. If you have any questions at all, shoot us a DM on Instagram or email us at dallasgritfitness@gmail.com, and we are here to support you. We want to see you achieve your goals. Welcome to the Grit Fam.